Alright, before we tear into this, safety first. Let's disconnect the external power cable. Just untwist the locking collar and pull the plug straight out. Now, grab your Phillips head screwdriver and back out the screws holding this front panel in place. Once they're loose, carefully pop the cover off. Inside, you'll see a bundle of wires. Use a utility knife or wire snips to carefully cut off that zip tie. Next, go ahead and pull apart the bullet connectors to isolate the old port. Grab a wrench and loosen the retaining nut on the back of the old charging port. Spin that nut completely off and just pull the old cable down and out through the bottom hole. Time to drop in the new part. Thread the wires of your new charging port up through the housing. Slip the lock washer and nut over the wires. Thread it on and use your wrench to snug it up nice and tight. You don't want it wiggling around. Now, let's wire it back up. It's super straightforward, just match the colors. Red to red, black to black. Push those connectors together until they firmly seat into place. To keep everything neat and prevent any pinched wires, gather the bundle together and wrap a fresh zip tie around it. Carefully tuck the wires back into the housing and line up your front panel. Grab your screwdriver and drive those screws back in to secure the cover. Finally, let's reconnect the power. Pay attention to the pins inside. Make sure they line up before you push it in. Twist the collar to lock it down and you're all set. Good to go.